Hi students, hearty welcome to RISE, Ramu's Institute of Spoken English.
మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, మనం ఈ వీడియోలో నేర్చుకోబోతున్నాం బుక్ నంబర్ 35 అబ్రివియేషన్స్ తెలుగులో నిర్వచనాలు అని అంటారు. నిర్వచనాలు abbreviations.
Written and edited by D.H. Ramu, cell number 9390495239.
మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఇక్కడ మీరు చూస్తున్నారు అబ్రివియేషన్స్ నిర్వచనాలు. బుక్ నంబర్ 35 పేజ్ నంబర్ 2లో ఉన్నాం. అబ్రివియేషన్స్ నిర్వచనాలు నేర్చుకునే ప్రయత్నం చేస్తున్నాం. ఎకనామిక్ abbreviations. ACTA Anti Counterpart Trade Agreement. ACTA Anti Counterpart Trade Agreement. ACS Automated Clearing System. ACS Automated Clearing System. ADR American Depository Resorts. ADR American Depository Resorts. APEC Asian Pacific Economic Cooperation. APEC Asian Pacific Economic Cooperation. ARCIL Asset Reconstruction Company of India Limited. ASBA Application Supported by Blocked Amount. ATM Automated Teller Machine. ASHA Accredited Social Health Activist. ASHA Accredited Social Health Activist. BIFR Board for Industrial and Financial Reconstruction. Board for Industrial and Financial Reconstruction. CAPART Council for Advancement of People Action and Rural Technology. Council for Advancement of People Action and Rural Technology. CCEA Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs. CCEA Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs. CCI Competition Commission of India. CCIL Clearing Corporation of India Limited. CDMA Code Division Multiple Access. CRR Cash Reserve Ratio. CRR cash reserve ratio. CDS, CDS, credit default swap, CDS, credit default swap. CPI, CPI, consumer price index, CPI, consumer price index. CRAR, CRAR, capital to risk weighted asset ratio, capital to risk weighted asset ratio. CRAR, capital to risk weighted asset ratio. CRMD, CRMD, credit risk management department, CRMD, CRMD, credit risk management department. DDT, DDT, dividend distribution tax, dividend distribution tax. DDT, dividend distribution tax. DFTP, DFTP, duty free tariff preference scheme, duty free tariff preference scheme. DFTP, duty free tariff preference scheme. DSE, DSE, direct selling agent, direct selling agent. DSE, direct selling agent. DTAA, DTAA, double taxation avoidance agreement, double taxation avoidance agreement. DTAA, double taxation avoidance agreement. ECB, ECB, external commercial borrowings, ECB, external commercial borrowings. ECS, ECS, electronic clearing system, ECS, electronic clearing system. ELSS, ELSS, equity linked saving scheme, equity linked saving scheme. ELSS, equity linked saving scheme. EEFC, EEFC, exchange earner foreign currency account, exchange earner foreign currency account. EEFC, exchange earner foreign currency account. ERP, ERP, enterprise resource planning, ERP, enterprise resource planning. EXIM, EXIM, Export Import Bank of India, Export Import Bank of India. EXIM, EXIM, Export Import Bank of India. FAO, FAO, Food and Agricultural Organization, FAO, Food and Agricultural Organization. FCRA, FCRA, Forward Contracts Regulation Act, Forward Contracts Regulation Act. FCRA, Forward Contracts Regulation Act. FCNR, FCNR, Foreign Currency Non-Resident Accounts, Foreign Currency Non-Resident Accounts. FCNR, Foreign Currency Non-Resident Accounts. FDI, FDI, Foreign Direct Investment, FDI, Foreign Direct Investment. FEMA, FEMA, Foreign Exchange Management Act, FEMA, Foreign Exchange Management Act. FEMA, Foreign Exchange Management Act. FERA, FERA, Foreign Exchange Regulation Act, Foreign Exchange Regulation Act. FERA, Foreign Exchange Regulation Act. FII, FII, Foreign Institutional Investors, FII, foreign institutional investors. FEDAI, FEDAI, Foreign Exchange Dealers Association of India, Foreign Exchange Dealers Association of India, FEDAI, Foreign Exchange Dealers Association of India. FRBM, FRBM, Fiscal Responsibility and Management Act, FRBM, Fiscal Responsibility and Management Act. FCCB, FCCB, Foreign Currency Convertible Bonds, Foreign Currency Convertible Bonds, FCCB, Foreign Currency Convertible Bonds. FIPB, FIPB, Foreign Investment Promotion Board, Foreign Investment Promotion Board, FIPB, FIPB, Foreign Investment Promotion Board. FSDC, FSDC, Financial Stability Development Council, Financial Stability Development Council, FSDC, Financial Stability Development Council. FLCC, FLCC, Financial Literacy and Credit Counseling, Financial Literacy and Credit Counseling. FIMMDA, FIMMDA, Fixed Income Money Market and Derivatives Association, Fixed Income Money Market and Derivatives Association, FIMMDA, Fixed Income Money Market and Derivatives Association. FPO, FPO, Follow on Public Offer, FPO, Follow on Public Offer. GCC, GCC, Gulf Cooperation Council, Gulf Cooperation Council, GCC, Gulf Cooperation Council. HNI, HNI, High Net Worth Individual, High Net Worth Individual, HNI, High Net Worth Individual. HUF, HUF, Hindu Undivided Family, HUF, Hindu Undivided Family. IBPS, IBPS, Interbank Mobile Payment Service, IBPS, Interbank Mobile Payment Service. IDR, IDR, Indian Depository Receipts, IDR, Indian Depository Receipts. IMF, IMF, International Monetary Fund, IMF, International Monetary Fund. IBRD, IBRD, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, World Bank. IBRD, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, World Bank. ICICI, ICICI, Industrial Credit Investment Corporation of India, ICICI, Industrial Credit Investment Corporation of India. IDBI, IDBI, Industrial Development Bank of India, IDBI, Industrial Development Bank of India. IIP, IIP, Index of Industrial Production, IIP, Index of Industrial Production. IRR, IRR, internal rate of return, internal rate of return, IRR, internal rate of return. KYC, KYC, know your customer, know your customer, KYC, know your customer. LAF, LAF, liquid adjustment facility, LAF, liquid adjustment facility. LLP, LLP, limited liability partnership, LLP, limited liability partnership. LIBOR, LIBOR, London Interbank Offered Rate, LIBOR, London Interbank Offered Rate. LFAR, LFAR, Long Form Audit Report, LFAR, LFAR, Long Form Audit Report. LTCM, LTCM, Long Term Capital Management, LTCM, Long Term Capital Management. MSF, MSF, Marginal Standard Facility, Marginal Standard Facility, MSF, Marginal Standard Facility. MMMF, MMMF, Money Market Mutual Funds, Money Market Mutual Funds, MMMF, Money Market Mutual Funds. MSS, MSS, Market Stabilization Scheme, Market Stabilization Scheme. MICR, MICR, Magnetic Ink Character Recognition Check, MICR, Magnetic Ink Character Recognition Check. MRGF, MRGF, Mortgage Risk Guarantee Fund, MRGF, Mortgage Risk Guarantee Fund. M&A, M&A, Merger and Acquisition, Merger and Acquisition. M&A, Merger and Acquisition. NFC, NFC, Non-Banking Finance Companies, NFC, Non-Banking Finance Companies. NEFT, NEFT, Net Electronic Fund Transfer, Net Electronic Fund Transfer, NEFT, Net Electronic Fund Transfer.